you don't. Very funny! It's not even... Need water! Oh, shut up! You wanna play a death prank on me, huh? I'll give you death! Ow! Timmy! Yeah! Quiet! Ow! Ow! Oh, don't everybody help at once! Get it off! Get it off! Out! Thank you. No! I forgot good computer viruses are ticklish! Dang it, Henry! That's it! No more Mr. Nice Guy! Ah! Nobody haunts my house on my birth... Ah! 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 Ghost in the house! I was chased by knives, flamethrowers, guns, and peanuts! I almost got killed! And you think it's funny? This is our house! Feel what? You said there wouldn't be any side effect! Paint? Oh no, I gotta fix this! I gotta fix this! Matthew! McGee, what are you doing? Down! What have I done? Wacky! 63 cents? Why? What? Why do you have a sink? Stop moving around! I think I twisted my spine. Ow! Get out! I'm gonna clock you in the head if you don't get out! You know what? Just back off! What? Haven't I suffered enough already? I can't stand this crazy house! Why? Just tell me why! Why would you crash your ship into my room, Captain McMallard? Victor! Your boat! Yes, this isn't the Seven Seas, dang it! This is the storage room! Stop it! Stop staring at me! I know you want something! Just tell me! What? Oh my God! That's messed up! Goalposts? Because I want to! Hell, what the heck is wrong with you? Why are you throwing that stupid football at... Do I look amused to you? You thing-faced football freak! You cannot play football in the house! Outside! Where football is normally played! Go outside! When? Where is he? I know he's here! Where's that crazy? I quit! You win, Wacky! Show yourself! Why are you blowing that stupid air horn at 3 in the morning? Will you stop fighting before you wake up the whole house? A fake! Ow! 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 Take these statues back right now! Listen, I'm legally responsible for what you guys do. If I go to jail because you stole these statues, I'm gonna haunt you in your dreams for the rest of your life! Victor! He was an accident! Victor, wait! Open that! Shut up! It was an accident!